Revlon One-Step Volumizer Enhanced 1.0 Hair Dryer and Hot Air Brush, now with improved motor, black. Product details. Brand Revlon. Color black. Material nylon. Wattage: 1100 watts. Power source: corded electric. Product dimensions: 2 by 2 by 4.96 inches, 1 pounds. Item model number, RVDR 5222ST.
UPC, 761,318,123,224. Manufacturer, Helen of Troy. ASIN, B097CNMZF5. Country of origin, China.
Safety information. Safety first. The Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer meets U.S. safety requirements and features the ETL certification. Unit is designed for 120-volt USA outlets only. Do not use a voltage converter or adapter as it will damage the unit.